Well, welcome to Rusted and Restored Auto Sales today. Today we have a beautiful, all original 1950 Chevrolet. This truck even has its original flare kit, which if you take apart, it's actually, here, let's show you. So you put them out when you're broke down, all original. Even the box is in fairly good shape. Floor is pretty nice. That's the hole where the optional e-brake could go. This one was a 4-speed manual, so it had the e-brake there. So there should be a rubber thing covering that and those two holes. But it's in fairly nice condition. See, it had a little rub there. Good old Chevrolet tailgate. This even has all the hubcaps. Somebody's hit this handle at one point. But the floor is pretty good. This truck does run and drive. Where would you drive this truck? Would you drive it to a show? Would you drive it around the farm? It does have its original 216 inline 6. We've put a new fuel filter there and just cleaned it up a bit. Went through the ignition. So let's start her up. These trucks are really cool. They have a push button start on the floor right there, that little button. You still have to use the key. So you just turn the key. It's kind of interesting because you gotta hit the gas with your hand too, with your foot too. Makes it a little interesting to start. It's funny that push button is all popular again. I think anyway. Well, thanks for checking out this video, and make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. And don't forget to comment in the bottom where you'd drive this truck, because I'm going to drive it and get the mail.